Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to link two cards in Trello web applications. So basically the first thing that I would need you to do now is to open your Trello workspace or Trello website and then just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't have already an existent account, just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, and then or you can just sign up with your email and create an account. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. So after you succeed to connect into your workspace and Trello websites, all we need to do now is to go to our board so we can reach the card that we want to link. So to do so, either we can click on boards and here we will find the list of our boards, or you can go to your boards section and here we will find the list of your boards and click the board that you want to access, and we will be able to change or to link our cards. So basically now we will need to click on the card that you want to link, and here we will find multiple things that we can do, and now we will need to attach our card with another one. So basically we will click on attachment, and here we will find many choices of places from attachments, so either computer, Trello, Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive. So we are going to choose Trello, and basically here you will find all your cards, and you will click on the card that you want to link it to and click on it, and now our card is being attached and linked with the other card from our board. And as you can see, when I clicked on this card, they are linked here. So basically this is how you link your cards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.